Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In the previous video, we have discussed the side effects of COVID-19 vaccines. That is about Covishield and Covaxin. Now in today's video, we will discuss about the contraindication of these vaccines. That is who should not take this vaccine. Any person below 18 years should not take this COVID-19 vaccine, which means this vaccine has been approved for restricted use in individuals 18 years of age and older. You should not get this vaccine if you had a severe allergic reaction about a previous dose of COVID-19 vaccine. But people who have had a severe allergic reaction to other types of vaccines or injectable therapies should talk to their doctor about the best solution. Anyone who had a severe allergic reaction to any ingredient of this COVID 19 vaccine or delayed onset anaphylaxis should not take the vaccine. Now, let us see what are some temporary contraindications. The COVID 19 vaccination is delayed for 4 to 8 weeks for those who show active symptoms of COVID 19, which means they can take the vaccine only 4 to 8 weeks after recovery. SARS-CoV-2 patients who have been given SARS-CoV-2 monoclonal antibodies or convalescent plasma therapy must also defer vaccine administration by at least 4 to 8 weeks after recovery. Anyone who is acutely unwell and hospitalized with or without COVID-19 related illness should not take the vaccine. They can take 4 to 8 weeks after complete recovery. COVID 19 vaccination should be given with great caution in person with a history of bleeding or coagulation disorder. For example, anyone with clotting factor deficiency or platelet disorder should take special precautions. Now, let us see in which conditions COVID 19 vaccines are not contraindicated. It is safe for people who have tested positive for COVID 19 in the past. People who have chronic diseases, autoimmune, or other conditions should first check with their doctors before getting the vaccine. The response to the COVID 19 vaccines may be less in these individuals who are on immune suppression. Those with a history of severe allergic reactions that aren't related to the vaccination, that is, food, venom, pets, latex, can still get vaccinated. There is latest update from CDC that people who are trying to become pregnant now or who plan to try in the future may receive the COVID 19 vaccine when it becomes available to them. There is no evidence that fertility problems are still side effect of any vaccine, including COVID 19 vaccines. There is no routine recommendation for taking a pregnancy test before you get a COVID 19 vaccine. Even if you are already pregnant, you may choose to be vaccinated when it is available to you. There is currently no evidence that antibodies formed from COVID 19 vaccination can cause any problem with pregnancy. However, according to Indian government fact sheet, pregnant and lactating women should not receive COVID 19 vaccine at this time. Also, please note that the vaccine dose cannot be interchanged, which means that the first and second dose must be of the same vaccine, either Covishield or Covaxin. The COVID 19 vaccines and other vaccines should not be co administered. That is, they should be separated by an interval of at least 14 weeks. That's all for today. Stay safe and stay healthy. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel.